Hello friends, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So the kids and I are making preparation to receive my mom when she comes, and we're going to prepare a bed space for her. Right now I'm not having a hospital bed brought in because she can get in and out of bed with no problem. And the bed she is sleeping in the rehab facility does not have sides on it like a bed would, a hospital bed does. So we bought a rollaway. Aldi had rollaway beds on sale for $99 and I picked up one. And the kids and I are now going to go in and make preparations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put her in my bedroom because there's a separate bathroom in there. And because if she has to get up and stuff throughout the night, I don't want the kids to be disturbed and awoken. So we're going to go in my room and make some changes, and we thought we would bring you guys along. Alrighty, you guys, so here's my bedroom, and here's the rollaway bed. Right here is where I have a bench, and then Jackson's been sleeping here on the floor since Trandon has been here, and he's in his room. Then, of course, we have Ma'am's kennel. Ma'am has a jumbo-sized kennel because she is a big dog. And then this is where my bed is, and I have some things. I finally got my work bag from Target. Yay, yay. You guys will see a video on that really, really soon. And it's really lovely as well. But I'm not doing anything over here on this side, but I am going to focus. And I was at a friend's house, and she had this little darling side table that she was trying to get rid of. And so we brought it back from Florida. We are going to clean that up just a little bit and make a space for my mom. So again, come with us as we take, ma'am, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, really, excuse me. She missed her mommy. I missed you, mommy. I missed you. Say hello, YouTube friends. Hello, YouTube friends. Hello. So anywho, the kids and I are going to do some stuff and thought we'd bring you guys along. I'm talking to my children. Oh. I don't want to get children. You're not the one I'm talking to, though. in, so the kids and I are done. We have moved the crate, the kennel out. We've moved that thing that was sitting there. I totally have to repaint this house, but it ain't a priority right now. We put in the rollaway bed, and it probably is only about a foot off of the ground, which for her is good because she's a fall risk. So her bed at the nursing center at night, they put it low like this so that she doesn't fall. And if she does fall, she doesn't have far to go. So we put it there. We did also just put a little side table there. I'm going to clean out a couple of drawers for her to have for her things. But anywho, this is what it looks like. For right now, Jackson has been using his sleeping bag on the floor. But we're going to test out the bed to see if it works. So we're going to move all of his sleeping bag things on here to see if it will hold him. That way we don't have to make the bed again. He'll just put his sleeping bag things on top. But a little lamp there, and we put the phone close enough. The phone cord is not really long, but so if her friends call or whatever, she's got a way to communicate. And then I'm sleeping here, so at night I'm close enough. And then there's a bathroom right in here. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Just making a little bit of space for my mom. She'll be coming within the next 10 days. And that is it. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumb it up, subscribe it out, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.